Hey guys, welcome back to another quick inform video. So I really wasn't gonna make this video just because it's in plain sight, and but apparently a lot of you guys have been wanting me to talk about this promotion that Boost Mobile has going on. They're like, you always tell us about promotions, why not this one? So to you guys, I will do it for my audience. So let's talk about a promotion that Boost Mobile has going on. It's in-store only, so it's another cool thing I always tell you guys about Boost Mobile is these in-store only deals are nice because it does help the dealers, or the authorized dealers, the stores, should I say it, bring revenue. So the employees there, imagine guys how the employees feel, they have to make commission off of it, to make extra money. So it is nice that Boost Mobile is trying to help them out. Now, of course, being in-store only, there are some downfalls with there's activation fees and service fees and all this other stuff. So just keep that in mind. But let's go ahead, and today's video says in-store only for free LG Stylo 4s. Yes guys, 4 of them, plus unlimited gigs when you switch. So of course it's another switcher deal. And then it'll say learn more when 4-line switch Boost Mobile. Free phone offer ends April 15th 2019. So we just have under a month, and also while supplies last. So let's go ahead and click learn more. So as you can see here, it is limited time offer, free LG Stylo 4 when you switch. So it says offer details, get up to 4 free LG Stylo 4s when 4 lines switch to Boost Mobile. Must activate on a $50, $60, or $80 plan by April 4th, or April 15th, my bad, 2019. So that's a pretty good deal, guys. Of course, there are other, I think, better port-in deals if you are good port-in, but if you have a family 4, let's say, usually from Metro or Cricket is what usually Boost Mobile has targeted. If a 4-liner switches over your whole family, or even more, remember it's 4. Boost Mobile can do up to 5 lines, but this one's just for 4. So if all of your whole family, let's say 4 of you, should I say, not your whole family, because usually families are a lot bigger than just 4. So let's say 4 of you are on a family plan and you want to switch over Boost Mobile. Well, all of you can get a free LG Stylo 4, guys. When you switch your number over, it has to be from a competing carrier. It cannot be Sprint related or Sprint MVNO. Anybody that uses Sprint's towers, you cannot do that. So just keep that in mind, guys. So like I said, this offer will expire April 15, 2019. But hey, who doesn't want free phones? There are some people that might not be able to afford, an iPhone 6S for $25 because it's 25 times 4 and then activation fees and the plans. That could be expensive. So most people are like, hey, free phone. There you go. LG Stylo 4 is pretty good compared to other carriers. Sometimes they'll offer something crappier. So if you're into Android and you want a nice LG Stylo 4, then this is the one to get, guys. Like I said, bring 4 lines and you can get 4 of these for free. So pretty cool offer. And also, if we read a little bit more, so it says free LG Stylo 4 what supplies last, new customer only, eligible port and activation on eligible plans 50 or higher, cannot be Sprint related, of course. So cool overall. That is a nice promotion, guys. So let me know in the comments below what you think. Like I said, just a quick little video just to tell you some promotions that are going on if you are interested in switching to Boost Mobile. So not bad at all. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Let me know in the comments below what you think. If you want to support me, you can via my PayPal, or you can check out my #1 supporter, netbuddy.co. That for true unlimited AT&T Hotspot, never throttled or capped, for only $60 a month. But if you use my link and promo code at checkout, that promo code is Sanchez45973. You will save $5. Thank you, guys. Now, I know there's not much news recently, honestly, on Boost or even other prepaid carriers like Metro Cricket. So, I will get more. Hopefully, new phones released pretty soon. That way I can review it for you guys. I'm dying to get a new phone, filing for the studio. Now that, like I said, I am fixing most of it. So, pretty cool. So, yeah, guys, let me know in the comments below what you think.